Hi, everyone, and welcome to our very last lesson on place value before we review everything that we've learned so far. So, last week we talked about comparing numbers using the greater than, less than, or equal sign. Today we're going to be using what we learned in that lesson to order numbers. And there are two major ways that we can order numbers. The first way is from least to greatest, and the second way is from greatest to least. We're going to practice finding the least to greatest first. So I want you to watch as I do this. So I'm going to look at the three numbers that I have in this example, and I'm going to look at the largest place value. So I see that each of these numbers are all in the hundreds. So I have 400s, 700s, and 300s. So I'm going to compare those and look for the least because that's where I want to start when we're looking for least to greatest. So the least number is 300s. So 349 is the smallest number in this example. So I'm going to drag 349 over to the left because I want to order it from least to greatest. All right, now I'm going to look at the last two numbers that I have and look for the next smallest number. So I've got 400s or 700s. I know that 400s is smaller than 700s. So I'm going to take my 458 and put it in the middle here because I'm going from least to greatest. So 349 is the smallest number. Next would be 458. And the greatest would be 738. So this is what it would look like in order of least to greatest. All right, let's try another one. This one we're going to do together. So on your whiteboard or marker, paper and pencil, whatever you have in front of you, get ready for our next numbers. All right, we are going to continue with least to greatest. Now remember, we have to look to see what the largest number is in the largest place value is in order to figure out which number is the smallest or the biggest. So looking at 1,829, it's a 4-digit number, and that one is in the thousands place. So this number has thousands. My second number is 13,920, and that is in the 10,000s because we have 5 digits: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. And then my last number, I have 782. So we have 3 digits. We're in the hundreds place. So the smallest number would be what? Pause this video, write down what you think the smallest number is on the left side, and then press play when you're ready. All right, hopefully you said that the smallest number in this example would be 782 because it's a 3-digit number. It's only in the hundreds place, and the other two have thousands and 10,000s. So on the left side, we're going to write 782 because we're moving from least to greatest or smallest to largest. All right, what do you guys think comes next? Press pause, write down what you think comes next, press play when you're ready. If you said 1,829 is the next greatest, you are correct because the 1 is the largest place in this number, which is the thousands place. And finally, our last number, 13,920, has a digit in the 10,000s place, so it's going to be the greatest number. Great job, guys. Go ahead and erase your boards and get ready for me to show you another example. All right, this is a you do problem. So I did the first one, we did the second one, you're going to do this one. So pause this video, put these three numbers in order from least to greatest, and then press play when you're ready to reveal. All right. I hope that you decided that 4,293 was the least because it has a 4 in the thousands place. And the next least would be 9,000 because it's bigger than 4,000, but 9,000 is smaller than 39,000, which had a number in the tens thousands place. So in order from least to greatest, 4,293, 9,281, and 39,281. Great job, guys. I hope you had the same thing. Go ahead and erase your boards and get ready for me to show you another example. All right, this time I'm going to show you how to order numbers from greatest to least. So this time I'm looking for the largest number, and that is going to be first. So I'm looking at my three numbers. I have 300s, 900s, 100s. So they're all in the hundreds place, so I can compare just that first digit. And I'm going to look for the greatest number first. All right, looking at these numbers, I see that the 9 in the hundreds place is going to be the largest. Because 900s is greater than 300s or 100s. I'm going to take 917 and move it down to the left side. That is my greatest, and we're starting with greatest, moving to least. My next greatest would be 382 because 300s is greater than 100. So I'm going to move that into the middle. And then finally, 192 is the least because it is smaller than 300s and it is smaller than 900s as well. So that'll go all the way to the right. So in order from greatest to least, we have 917, 382, and 192. All right, get ready with your boards. The next example we're going to do together. All right, we're continuing with greatest to least. So I'm going to look to see what the largest number is. I want you to pause this video and think about which number you think is the largest. Press play when you're ready. I hope that you said 11,283 is the largest because it's the only number that has a 10,000s place in this example. 1,283 and 3,284 are four-digit numbers and the largest place is thousands. So 10,000s is larger than both of those numbers. All right, what do you think is the next greatest number? Pause this video, press play when you're ready. Okay, I hope you said 3,284 is the next largest number. It is larger than 1,283, which is the least. So in order from greatest to least, we have 11,283, 3,284, and 1,283. Great job, guys. Get ready for you do. So this one's going to be on your own. I'm going to show you the next numbers. I want you to pause this video, put the numbers in order from greatest to least, and press play when you're ready to reveal. All right, hopefully you saw that 90,283 is the largest number because it's the only number that had 10,000s. Next would be 9,281 because it has a number in the thousands place. And least would be 392 because it only has hundreds. So greatest to least, 90,283, 9,281, and 392. I hope you have the same thing. All right, guys, during your independent practice today, make sure that you're looking for the words greatest to least or least to greatest. And I hope that this lesson taught you guys something about how to order in both of those ways. Have fun. I can't wait to see how you guys do.